How to lock Instagram on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you need to have Shortcut app on your phone. It is a built-in app on iPhone, but you can also download it from App Store if you don't have it. Now, first you want to go ahead and open Settings on your phone. Scroll down a little bit and then tap on Accessibility. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to scroll down and tap on Guided Access. Turn on the toggle button for guided access. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Passcode Settings. Turn on Touch ID and also you can set Guide Access Passcode. You want to go ahead and tap on Set Guided Access Passcode. Then you want to go ahead and set a password. Now you want to go back and open Shortcut app on your phone. Tap on Automation in the bottom middle. Then tap on Create Personal Automation. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and then tap on App. In the right hand side of App, you want to tap on Choose. Now you want to select Instagram here. You want to go ahead to the search bar and search for it and select Instagram, then tap on Done. Now tap on Next, that is on the top right corner. Tap on Add Action. Now go to the search bar and you want to go search for Guided Access. Tap on Start Guided Access. Now tap on Next on the top right corner. You want to turn off the toggle button for Ask Before Running, and then you want to tap on Done, that is on the top right corner again. Tap on Don't Ask. Now when you go ahead and open Instagram and press your home button 3 times, you will get an option of Guided Access. When you tap on it, you will see various options where you'll be able to lock the screen. And when you do that, you will not be able to move the screen of Instagram. And that is how you can lock Instagram on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.